I'm sorry, but a skater was bent over in another outfit. I'm sorry, but I'd love to just, just fuck her like that. Just fuck her like that. Alright, smack their ass. See, skater, you don't know what to expect when I'm drinking beer. You don't know what the fuck you're going to be expecting when I'm drinking. Hell, skater can whip me up for 9 until another whip. I'm a virgin. What do you expect me to do? Be grade A material?